the spirit that quickeneth, but the flesh profited nothing. Therefore, the words that I speak to you, they are spirit and they are life.
Empower me. Empower me. Shine your light upon me this morning that I will see. Let him hear your voice all over this room. Say, Lord, empower me this morning. Empower me. My worship is forever. My worship is. I need you to mean what is coming out of your mouth. Understanding that you stand before the King of Glory. And it is a privilege that we stand before him this morning. My priesthood is forever. My priesthood is forever. My priesthood. My priesthood is forever. Sing it louder. My priesthood is forever. My priesthood is. Sing it as somebody who stands before Elohim. Morning, noon, and night. Burning incense. One more time. My priesthood is forever. My priesthood. All over this room. Forever, forever, and ever, forever. Forever. Mina sude gebelana ameton ne pesuse perite keluda vesketomina ayante brekatobia. Oh, forever and ever. My priesthood. Let him hear you this morning. My worship is forever. Mount Zion. It is the city of the living God. We are not alone. Let your voice rise to him as incense this morning. He who dwells in light, surrounded by the cherubims, surrounded by the seraphims, glory to your name. He who in light, surrounded. Let him hear you say, I'm in him, I'm in him, I'm in him. I'm in him, I'm in him, in light, surrounded by the one more time, say, I'm in him, I'm in light, surrounded by your seraphim, surrounded by your seraphim, glory, da 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 da, da 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 da.
I see his hand ascending everywhere. I see the Spirit reviving cold altars, changing appetites in the Spirit. You will find out that your menu in the Spirit changed, because now there is another kind of baptism that you are coming to. Hakabana Galatus, Kayafina Takatuanas, Elevereto Magalas. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus is blowing down like fire, like rain. Let your glory is pouring down. Oh, prophet, you will prophesy again, and Jesus will be known. Like fire, like fire. Jesus said, "Do I live your?" He said, "Peter, Satan seek to sift you, but I have prayed for you." He went further and said, "When you become strong, strengthen thy brethren." I perceive under this cloud that there are people who are weak and feeble in the ways of God, who are weak and their prayer life and their intimacy life suffers. We want to lift up our voice. Let strength, let strength. We will not lose you. We will not lose you. Let pressure come from anywhere. Be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. Be strong. Lift up your voice in the moment of time and pray. You will not be lost. You will not be lost. This prayer you are praying will not be in vain after now. You will not be looking for your fire after now. You will not be looking for intimacy after now. You will burn brighter and brighter. Let darkness rage. Let darkness rage. Pour. Come on, blast. Roll over that soul. Come on. 2 weeks from now, you will intensify. 1 year from now, 5 years from now, you will remember the Glory of God conference. From my ankle to my knee, from my knee to my waist, from my waist to my shoulder, till the Spirit overshadow me. From my ankle to my knee, from my knee to my waist, from my waist to my shoulder, till the Spirit overshadow me. There is is a rising. Auntie, you will go on, you will go. No strange fire. No strange fire. Yeah. No strange fire. Yeah. No strange fire. It increases. It increases. It increases. Shakapeles. Eklemenefenias. Yederuga de Gashanda. Another measure. Another measure. Another measure. Another measure. Here the last. Another measure. It increases. When the fire burns, it doesn't go down. It increases. Abby, we burn brighter by burning. Burn. Don't apologize for burning. Alayana Kos, Akayata Lamas. There is a rumbling. There is a rumbling in the belly of many. It will find expression. It will not die in the belly. There is prophecy over you. Something is spoken concerning you. Till the day you reach us, only you are. Only you can set this out on fire. Only you, yes, I am not the thing. I am the till the day.